The Sony Xperia 1i represents Sony's boldest step forward in mobile innovation for 2025. This device brings a refined, ultra-premium design with sharper edges, a slimmer profile, and a beautifully polished frame that instantly feels iconic. On the front, the 4K HDR OLED display delivers one of the clearest and most color-accurate panels ever seen on a smartphone. Whether you're watching movies, gaming, or working, the visual experience is undeniably top class. Powering the Xperia 1i is a flagship processor built for smooth, stable, and high-performance usage. Apps open instantly, multitasking feels seamless, and gaming remains stable even under heavy loads. Sony's thermal control also ensures that the device stays cool during long sessions. Now, the biggest highlight, the 8K Pro camera system. Sony has equipped the Xperia 1i with professional-grade sensors inspired directly by their Alpha series. Dynamic range, low light performance, and color accuracy are simply outstanding. Video creators will love the natural depth, sharpness, and cinematic look this phone delivers straight out of the box. Battery life is equally impressive with its optimization-focused software, offering strong all-day performance along with fast charging support. Overall, the Sony Xperia 1i feels like a phone built for professionals, a perfect blend of performance, stability, and creative power, making it one of the most refined devices of the year.